Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Eddie V. In today's video, we're going to be talking about, can you take a glider truck into California, into the state of California? The answer is yes and no. Stay tuned to find out. Okay guys, so to answer the questions on whether or not you can take your glider truck into California, we got to go to the internet. And I did some research, but I still need your guys' help. Down in the comments below, guys, go ahead and tell me your thoughts and opinions on how or what you think the rule is. Okay, before I continue, guys, there's a link in my description below. Go sign up with Robinhood, get a free share of stock. You get a free share if you sign up using my link, so do that below. Now, without further ado, let's go into the video. Sorry about, I like to say odds a lot, so I'm still kind of working on that, so I do apologize, and I hope I can eliminate them, but let's go on with the video. Let's talk about this. Here is the first thing that's going to pop on your screen. Me, Eddie V, I asked a fellow YouTuber named Keep On Trucking, who has a Kenworth W900, the C15 Cat, which means he does not have any emissions at all. He's still an ELD, but he does not have any emissions at all. Here's what I asked him. I said, brother, I have a question for you. How in the world do you truck in California and live there with your Kenworth having a Cat engine? I thought those were illegal to have in California. Here's what he replies. Keep On Trucking replied, you and every other comment has that same question. Nobody said it was illegal to drive an older truck in California. So there's your answer about that. Let's go to a different answer, or whether or not you're allowed to drive into California for a glider truck or not. All right, this was found in the forum. 12.7 Detroiter said, thinking about buying a Harrison glider Freightliner Cascadia. Our glider is going to be illegal in 2021. And the guy underneath in the forum said, I don't know his name, said, no, gliders are not going to be illegal unless you're referring to California. Even in California, you are still allowed a small number of miles per year with the glider. That's what he said. So according to this, we could still drive gliders only a certain amount of miles. We can't always drive into California. Here's another one that's going to pop on your screen. It says, the state requires a particular filter, which is a DPF, in these trucks older than 2006. So it says if your truck is older than 2006, require a DPF filter. But by complying with this requirement, one will reduce the benefits of getting a glider kit. Those looking for a glider kit should be wary of this requirement and should avoid driving in California. So there you go. One person says you're allowed to drive in California, the other one says you're not. And then the final, this is the most recent update on the rule I have found, and I think it's going to be very helpful, is a new California rule will only allow 2010 and later model year heavy-duty truck engines and glider kits. The measure is part of a broader rulemaking to align California's greenhouse gas standards for medium and heavy-duty trucks and trailers with the federal Phase 2 standards for 2018 to 2027 model year trucks. So guys, from what I picked up on the internet and some research around, I also asked a bunch of guys who truck with gliders into California. They said they go into California, they have no issues with the DOT. And I think that's right. What you got to watch out for is if EPA is in the weigh station. If they're in the weigh station, they can pull you over. You're going to have a whole day of headaches because they're going to do smog testing. Here's another part. I think it's okay to drive into California if you have a 2010 or older truck with an older engine, which is a glider kit, or an older truck. But at the same time, you're not allowed to drive too much into California. I have driven a glider truck into California as a company driver, and nothing has ever happened, never got an inspection, nothing. And you can tell if a truck from the outside has a glider engine or not, because you can have black smoke, or if it's deleted. But according to this information, we can drive a glider kit truck into California. Either the truck has to be older than 2010, or if it's newer and it has an old glider kit, you can only drive a certain amount of mileage. Now guys, this is the information I picked up. I am not 100% certain if that's true. I've never been pulled over in California for this issue, and I know a couple of people, they have been pulled over for inspection. with the glider truck, the cop just let him go, said you're not supposed to be here. Just get out of the state as soon as you can. But I also picked up somewhere, I heard a rumor that if you are caught with a glider truck or without a DPF filter or a delete in a new engine, in California, it's a $25,000 fine. And from what I heard, they'll shut you down and you tell you got to tow back. But if you're driving an older truck like a 99 Freightliner FLD or a Peterbilt in that year, you are pretty good. Sorry for the ums. I'm trying to eliminate them as much as I can. But you are pretty good. You're not going to be touched. So guys, in the comments below, please go ahead and tell me what you think, what your comments are, whether or not we should drive glider trucks in California or not, whether we should drive through there. Now, I know a lot of the California loads pay suck, so there's hardly any owner-operators really going in there. It's mostly fleet trucks. There is maybe a few doing local, like, owner-operators, but like a lot of people, from what I heard, avoid trucking in California because the pay rate is low for the freight, and the DOT officers do suck, and they do bogus stuff, like purposely like cutting a airline or something to make it an out of service for you, so they can look good and you can look bad. That's what I heard. Also, guys, the speed limit does suck. Everywhere in California for trucks, the speed limit is 55. There's people that do 65. Once in a while they'll get caught. When I was there, I was doing 59, 58 miles an hour, sometimes 61. I would just go with the flow of the slower truck traffic that's not doing 55. So California in general does suck for truckers, and the fact that they do not like owner-operators whatsoever. They only like big business. California does not like small businesses. So this kind of sucks to drive in California. But guys, that's the yes or no. It's both-sided. So if you could do me a favor, just comment down if you have any more information and share with the trucking world that is accurate or not accurate. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, click the like button, and yes, guys, I do have all kinds of links in the description below. And sorry for the ums again. And yeah, go ahead and also try to support this channel. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hey, car enthusiasts and truckers and whoever's watching this channel, I am doing a Christmas giveaway on December 25th of super clean cleaning products. You're gonna get there's one prize, but you're gonna get two things. You're gonna get a super clean tough task cleaner and degreaser spray bottle, and a super clean tough task degreaser and cleaner aerosol can. So here's what I need you to do, guys. I need you to be subscribed to the channel. I also need you guys to watch the video in the link. And the video in the link, I want you guys to type in super clean 25. That is super clean 25. And good luck. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. This particular package, driving a temp in the 6 Series.